I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account with PNC Bank, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website. Go to the official PNC Bank website. Look for the Open an Account button on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Review the features and benefits of each option. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity by providing additional documents, such as a driver's license or utility bill. Follow the prompts to upload these documents. Step 5. Fund your new account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you run into any issues during the application process, PNC Bank's customer service is available to help. Good luck with your new account.